Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this week's edition of our weekly beer tasting. Found in the great city of Hamilton, Ontario, Collective Arts. If you haven't been to Hamilton, if you haven't been to Collective Arts, you gotta go. Located in the industrial area of the city, really cool industrial vibes, great large location, huge craft brewery, you gotta go. Something cool to keep in mind about the brewery is the artistic integrity with the overall brand of Collective Arts. So if you look at the cans, Collective Arts actually works with independent artists all over Canada to create original, unique artistic works that they use on their cans. You gotta go. Today we're showcasing the raspberry dry hopped sour. So what does that mean? If you dry hop a beer, what you're doing is taking a large portion of hops, you're putting it in a large bag. Think of it like you're creating a cup of tea. You're putting that bag of hops into the beer during the fermentation process. So adding some more hop aromas to the overall end process of creating the beers. Sours, all the rage in the craft beer world here in the United States and in Canada. Something unique about this raspberry dry hop sour, like you'll find in a lot of other sours, is the addition of some form of fruit. So we actually do have raspberry puree that's actually added to this beer. So it gives it a nice larger raspberry flavor, very sweet overall taste once we get into it. So I'm gonna grab a taste. So many unique flavors. The raspberry is obviously front and center. If you like a more fruity beer, if this is definitely a sour for you. So Collective Arts, a huge player in the craft beer scene. Go check it out, you gotta go. Thanks so much everyone for checking out this week's weekly beer tasting. And remember, craft beer is here.